In this video, I will talk about the hostname command in Linux. So let us understand the basics of this command and see 12 practical examples of using the hostname command in the Ubuntu terminal. But before that, I have an exciting announcement for all of you. Our latest course, which is Linux Fundamentals, a complete guide for beginners, is now available on Udemy. If you want to have a complete guide on Linux, then this course will be perfect for you. You can find the course link in the video description below. So, first things first, what is hostname command? In Linux, the hostname command is used to change the hostname of your device and also perform modifications related to it. It also helps to see the domain name system, in short DNS, and the Network Information Service, in short NIS, information. Now let us see the basic syntax of this command. At first, you type the command, which is hostname. Then you mention the options available with it, and after that, you write the hostname. Now over here, the square braces indicate that both options and hostname are optional, and the triple dot after the option indicates that you may enter multiple options with the command. Also, if you want to know more about what options are available with the hostname command, you can type the following command. This will display the manual page of the hostname command. You can press the down key to view the entire page and see the available options. If you want to exit, press Q to go to the terminal. Now let's get straight to the examples, starting with example 1, where I will show you how to check the host name of your device. So you have to type the command hostname. This will display the host name of your Linux machine or device. In my case, it is Ubuntu. In example 2, I will show you how to check the short host name of your Linux device. So let's see how it works. If your Linux device contains a long host name containing one or more dots within each name, for example, in my case it is ubuntu.famid. For such cases, you may wish to print the short host name using the following command. First, you type the hostname command. Then you mention the option -s. This will print the short host name, which is up to the first dot. In my case, it is Ubuntu. Now there is an alternative version of this, that is, you type the hostname command and mention the option, which is /, then write short. Now this is the full form of the option. This will give the same output. In example 3, I will demonstrate how to change your hostname until reboot, meaning the updated hostname will last until the next restart. So let's see how it works. At first, I will check the current hostname of my device. For this, I will type the hostname command. Now to change the hostname, I will type the following command. After writing sudo hostname, I will write the new updated hostname. In my case, I will write famid. The hostname has been updated. Now to check this, I will type again hostname. This will print the updated hostname of my Linux device. In example 4, I will demonstrate how to change the hostname permanently. For this, you have to type the following command. Now I will check the updated hostname using the hostname command. The new hostname is printed in the terminal. In this case, it is Ubuntu. If you are using a network information service, you can check the NIS domain name of your device. In this example, I will demonstrate how to do this. To display the NIS domain name, you have to type the following command. Now there are two other alternative options for this. You can type this command, and the other one is in example 6, I will show you how to change the NIS domain name of your device. So let's see how it works. You have to type the following command. Now here I am using the option -y. You can use the two other alternative options as shown in the previous example. Now I want to change my NIS domain name to my NIS. Now to check the updated NIS domain name, type the following command. The updated name is printed in the terminal. In example 7, I will show you how to see the network address related to the hostname on your Linux device. So let's get into the example. For this, you have to type the following command. This will print the network address related to your hostname. Now there is an alternative option which is this will also print the same result. In example 8, I will show you how to display the list of all configured addresses on all network interfaces on my Linux device. So let's get into the example. For this example, you have to type the following command. Now there is an alternative option which is in example 9, I will show you how to display the fully qualified domain name, in short FQDN, of your Linux system. So let's see how it works. So you have to type the following command. Now there are two other alternatives of this. The first one is and the other one is the option -a or -alias after the hostname command allows you to see the alias, which is also known as the substitute hostname, if it has been set for your device. In this example, I will show you how to see the substitute hostname of your device. For this, you have to type the following command. Now the alternative option is it gives empty output because I have not set an alias for my device. In example 11, I will show you how to display the help page of the hostname command. So let's see how it works. For this, you have to type the following command. It displays the help page for the hostname command. Now there is an alternative option which is in the last example, which is example 12, I will show you how to check the version of the hostname command. So let's get straight to the example. You have to type the following command. There is an alternative option which is This will print the version for the hostname command. So this was all for this video. If you want to know more about the hostname command, please refer to the article and the commands provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching.